Make this recipe that everyone will want to know the secret of. It's delicious. Let's add 250 milliliters of warm milk, 10 grams of biological yeast, and mix well. Next, we'll add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of butter, 500 grams of wheat flour, and continue mixing. After mixing well, I'll sprinkle a little wheat flour on the table to start kneading the dough until it has a smooth texture. Right after that, just place the dough back in the container, cover it with a cloth, and let it rest for about 30 minutes. After that time, I'll add a little more flour to the table and roll out the dough with a rolling pin. We'll start by filling the dough with a bit of cream cheese. Just add some and spread it well with the help of a spoon. Now, I'll add 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, 200 grams of ham, and a little oregano. After filling, just fold the dough and cut it into equal parts with the help of a knife. But if you prefer, you can bake it without making the cuts. Transfer everything to a previously greased baking tray with oil and brush egg yolk over the dough. To finish, add a little oregano on top for that special touch. Then bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.